254, and we will show you all about me. Hello, my name is Mark Reed. I was born in June 18, 2006. Yeah, and I like to go buses and the trains in the train station, and first F bus and the double-decker bus. Yeah, my favorite vehicles is the car, the double-decker bus, the van, the truck, and the helicopter, and the train, and the ScotRail one. Right. My favorite places to go is McDonald's, and I like to go to the park, and I like watching YouTube videos of Pawel Barna. Yeah. Paul tried to beat 60 today, and you might get 60. Don't worry, Paul. You might get 60. Pawel Barna said, try to beat 60 today, guys. Yeah, Paul said that. Yes, yeah. My favorite toy shop. I like to go to the toy shop and buy some Legos from Lego City. Yeah. And I like my channel is funny, and Paul was laughing about my YouTube channel, and it was super funny. Paul was laughing super loud in the microphone speakers. It looks something like this. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Yeah. And I like the helicopter and the train. But look at this. Here's the ScotRail train. Yeah. Here's the ScotRail train. Give me your thumbs up if you like it. Yeah. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like the train. Yeah, here's the train, guys. Yeah, here's the train. Yeah. There's a passenger in the train. Yeah, if you don't subscribe to this channel, I will smash a camera. I will smash a camera with the mailbook. Mailbag.